Are you looking to achieve a flawless paint finish without the hassle of traditional methods? In this video, we'll explore the best airless paint sprayers available on the market today. We'll highlight their features, benefits, and what sets them apart, ensuring that you find the right tool for your painting projects. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional contractor, these sprayers can help you save time and achieve a smooth, even coat every time. Let's dive in. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis on our website, AllAboutTheBEST.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future update. Let's get started with the list. Number 5. Graco Magnum Project Painter. Plus our pick for best budget airless paint sprayer. If you're considering diving into the world of paint sprayers, the Graco Airless Paint Sprayer is a fantastic choice for beginners. User-friendly and affordable, this stationary model impressed us with its ability to deliver a smooth, uniform coat of paint during our tests. No sputtering or thinning involved. We used it to paint exterior shutters and were delighted with its consistent pressure, even when we had to angle our hands to reach every part. It's important to note that this sprayer is ideal for smaller projects, as Graco recommends using it for up to 5 gallons of paint at a time and a total of 50 gallons per year. For convenience, you can draw paint directly from a 1-gallon or 5-gallon can. We found that placing our smaller can inside an empty 5-gallon bucket helped keep it stable. With adjustable pressure settings and a handy lock-on feature on the handle, you can work comfortably without continuous finger strain. The sprayer also comes equipped with a true airless 515 tip and a 25-foot hose, which can be extended to 50 feet if needed. Number 4. HomeRight Power Flow Pro 2800, our pick for best airless paint sprayer for big projects. If you're planning to refresh every room in your home or tackle large painting projects, the HomeRight Power Flow Pro 2800 airless piston paint sprayer is an excellent choice for you. With a powerful 0.50 horsepower engine, this sprayer delivers a remarkable 2,800 pounds per square inch, ensuring a smooth and even finish every time. You'll find that you use less paint while achieving professional quality results. This sprayer is perfect for larger projects around your home, including exteriors, fences, garages, and decks. Its robust motor allows you to spray unthinned paint with ease, so you can get straight to work without any hassle. One of the standout features is the pressure control knob, which lets you customize your spray pattern to suit your project needs. Plus, the 25-foot non-kink hose provides you with excellent maneuverability, allowing you to reach every nook and cranny without the worry of tangling. Designed specifically for homeowners, it's the ideal DIY solution, letting you achieve beautiful results without the need for professional help. Whether you're updating a single room or revitalizing your entire home, this paint sprayer will make the task enjoyable and efficient. Get ready to unleash your creativity and transform your space with the HomeRight Power Flow Pro. Still looking for the perfect airless paint sprayers to suit your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Titan ControlMax 1700. Sprayer, our pick for best airless paint. Sprayer for beginners. Introducing the Titan ControlMax 1700, an HEA paint sprayer designed to make your painting projects smoother and more enjoyable. One of its standout features is the significant reduction in overspray, up to 55%. This means that whether you're a beginner or someone looking to refine your techniques, you can achieve that flawless finish without the fear of creating a mess. With a user-friendly 1500 PS1, the ControlMax 1700 offers excellent control over your paint application, making it perfect for detailed work like intricate trims and shutters. Just remember, for those clean edges, a bit of tape will still be your best friend. In addition to its finesse in painting, this sprayer shines when it comes to applying stains and sealants, thanks to its lower pressure settings. The all-metal gun built into the design not only adds durability, but also stands up to the test of time. Plus, the included 30-foot hose gives you plenty of flexibility to maneuver around your project without feeling restricted. While it may not be the fastest option on the market, the Titan ControlMax 1700 delivers professional quality results that you'll love. Whether you're tackling a DIY home project or enhancing your living space, this airless sprayer is a reliable companion on your painting journey. Embrace your creativity and get ready to transform your space with ease. Number 2. Wagner Control Pro 190 Sprayer, our pick for best airless paint sprayer for DIY. Introducing the Wagner Control Pro 190 Airless Paint Sprayer, a fantastic tool that elevates your painting experience. In our testing, this sprayer stood out with its impressive 0.4 GPM output and manageable 1,600 psi pressure. This combination enables a smooth, uniform spray, minimizing overspray often seen with higher pressure machines. You'll appreciate the clean paint swaths that avoid excess mess on adjacent surfaces. Equipped with a 50-foot hose, this sprayer easily reaches every nook and cranny in typical home projects. The included 515 latex tip delivers superior results, especially when working with thinned latex paints. It's also versatile enough to handle stains when using the HEA 311 tip. While the Control Pro 190 isn't meant for rapid coverage, it shines in DIY projects that require precision, such as painting doors, cabinets, or applying stains and sealers. You'll find that this sprayer empowers you to achieve professional results right at home. With Wagner's high-efficiency airless HEA technology, you can enjoy a softer spray and improved control, reducing overspray by up to 55% compared to traditional airless sprayers. This means less time on cleanup, less wasted paint, and a faster project completion. Whether tackling large exteriors or those detailed interior rooms, the Control Pro 190 helps you paint like a pro in no time. Embrace your creativity and take on your next project with confidence. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Graco Magnum X5 Stand Paint Sprayer, our pick for best airless paint sprayer overall. Among all the models we tested, the Graco Magnum X5 Stand Airless Paint Sprayer truly stood out, impressing us with its ability to deliver a smooth coat of paint effortlessly. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, it's ideal for a variety of home painting projects. We took it for a spin by painting 2 interior doors with primer and latex paint. While it did experience a small amount of sputtering at first, resulting in a few tiny paint blotches that needed sanding, once we got the hang of it, it was a reliable workhorse. Adjusting the pressure to fit our needs was a breeze, with a maximum of 3,000 psi, powerful enough to handle nearly any paint or stain without thinning. Although stationary, the 25-foot hose provided ample flexibility, and if you need more reach, you can easily upgrade to a 75-foot hose. Another convenience is the ability to draw paint directly from a 1-gallon or 5-gallon can. The metal spray gun features an internal filter to minimize blockages, and while we found it comfortable, we did wish for a lock to keep it running without finger pressure. With its true airless 515 tip, it sprays a wide fan of paint. This sprayer is not only suitable for smaller tasks, but also excels in larger jobs like painting walls, decks, and fences. Cleanup is straightforward, whether you use a garden hose or a bucket of water, and with that, you're ready for your next creative endeavor. So that wraps up our list of the best airless paint sprayers. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which airless paint sprayers you like the most. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video.